it will be appreciated. That means it will be increased. Appreciated means what? Increased. Whenever stock value increases, stock belongings to asset account also increased. 10% asset account also increased. Whenever asset account increases, it is considered as debtor. It will be goes to debt. How much is stock appreciated? 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. So 40,000 into 10 by 100, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, remaining 4,000 rupees. So for 4,000 rupees stock value increased. Whenever stock value increases, it is to be debited. So stock account data 4,000 rupees to revaluation account 4,000 rupees. So here in this transaction, this journal entry, where is revaluation account appears? Revaluation account appears on credit side. So what you do? You go to credit side of the revaluation account and write